This next part is not really a me thing anymore. And I say that because I call it a complete class profile. And what that means is that there's actually some type of order that you actually follow things in. Some universities have this and some do not in a particular order. And frankly, we do it so that we can read your programs rather quickly by eye. Meaning, list of all your friend functions happen first, then your public, then your private. Your overloaded COUTs maybe go at the bottom. All of your constructors go first. Then so notice there's a list of all the different things. Your setters and getters are in here. There's a list of the order that things come in play in a complete class profile. But the IDEs that are coming out in the last, almost now 10 years, you go to one button and it drops all of them in there automatically for you. Now, I'm more of an Eclipse guy. It tells you the order to put them in, but at least it does it. So when I talk personally about a complete class profile, how it's listed, I personally don't care. I just want to make sure it's in there. Your overloads, your setters, your getters, your constructors, your friends, all that stuff really should be in there for a particular instance that you're creating, which happens to be a student for this. The IDE helps you with most of it anyway anymore, or I've done it with you when you just do some copying and pasting. I bet you can copy your container class if it's all working and create it with a new object that you have to for a project. Yeah, it's that easy. But it's really important, especially when you get to data structures where we have to do comparisons, the overloaded of the equal sign, the overloaded of the less than symbol. All of that had better be in there because you're really going to end up needing it, especially in data structures where we're worrying about complex objects and how to sort it, using vectors and arrays and all this stuff. I cannot stress, when you have a complete class profile, you're going to have a lot of things in there. It's going to be a rather large header file, but a lot of it's going to, number one, be done for you, and number two, you're going to end up using all the features eventually for your different applications that you create. So use this when you have a discussion with me, and use this to make sure you know what I'm personally expecting when I see something from you. I should see the complete class profile. Again, order doesn't matter, but the content that's in there better all be in there.